Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're cooking veggie chicken breast seasoned rice. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Let that heat up, then we'll put in the chicken breast. So we're browning the chicken breast a little. Now that we've browned the chicken breast a little bit, we're gonna add the chopped seasoning, onion, garlic, tomato, green onions, and thyme. So we'll add this and saute. For a few minutes. I'm adding my powdered seasoning, cayenne pepper, allspice, ground allspice, Stonewall salt-free seasoning, and a little bit of cumin. I'll also add my mixed vegetables. Now I will add water from my kettle. And I'm putting in half a teaspoon of salt. Add in my rice, and it's a cup and a half of basmati rice. So I'm gonna stir everything in and cover. And I also have over there broccoli and cauliflower. Those are the last things I'll put in, because I don't want them to be too soft. Now I'm about to put in about a tablespoon of soy sauce in there. And I'm gonna stir that in. And cover. So we cover and move on. Okay, I've added my broccoli and cauliflower, the last things I'm adding. So I'm gonna cover and give it like 2 more minutes to finish cooking. Then we'll see the finished product. Okay guys, let's check. 2 minutes now. Yes, it's all done. Nice. Here you go guys, your ultimate one-pot meal packed with all the nutrients your heart desires. Please like, share, subscribe, and when you try it, please drop me a line and let me know how it went. Thanks for watching.